Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Gemini Assistant step by step. So we are on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, and we all know that Google Pixels have it integrated already. But if we want to set it up, we want to make sure that it works and responds to our prompts. We're going to go to settings. Now here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and first open up the apps. So once we find the apps, what are we going to do is we're going to go to default apps, and here we have the digital assistant app. As you guys can see, once you click it, you want to make sure that it's Google, not Firefox, no nothing. And once you have Google set up, you can simply go over and type in the search settings. You can type in hey Google. As you guys can see, here we have talk to Gemini hands-free. We want to make sure that we enable it, and as you guys can see, we're going to click turn on. Now it's waiting just a second. We're going to click done, and it is turned on. So now we can for example say hey Google. So if it's not working for you, just like it's not working for me, you should always sample your voice prompts. Sometimes it's not necessary, so that's why I skipped it. But as you guys can see, if we go back to the talk to Gemini hands-free, we want to make sure that we click on manage voice match right here. We want to set this up because this will let Google recognize whenever we speak to some Google devices or agents. So we're going to click setup, and now we have a couple of prompts, as you guys can see, and we want to click more, and I agree. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And we're ready now, so we can click done, and now we want to enable it, and let's see if that will work. So now we can try and say hey Google, and it works just fine. So we set this up, and now you can also use your power button. As you guys can see, you can also share your screen with live. You can click share screen. Hey Gemini, can you see my screen, and can you tell me what's on it?
Yes, I can see your screen. It's your home screen, and I can see several app icons like Google, Settings, Phone, Messages, Chrome, and Camera. I also noticed the time is 14:35 and the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius.
So it works just fine, and that's how you guys can set up your Gemini Assistant step by step. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.